Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we are doing eyeshadow tutorial number 2 using the Too Faced Cinnamon Swirl eyeshadow palette. I will leave my first video up in the eye right there. So, number 1, we're doing a little halo look today, so I'm taking the shade Muffin Top, like a light peachy color. This is going to be my blending and transition color. As per usual, that's how I always start my eyeshadow looks. It's just the way to go for me. It's easy, you know what I mean? So I'm putting it in the crease, and then I just kind of put it all over the lid because why not? You know what I mean? And then we're going into Lick the Spoon. This is like a matte, kind of peachy, I want to say salmon, guys, like a peachy salmon, but I'm probably completely off with that. But it's definitely like a peachy orange matte shade. It's a little bit darker than Muffin Top, so this is just deepening up the look a little bit. I'm putting it in the crease and then in the inner corner and in the outer corner, leaving that middle portion blank, and that's where we're going to put our shimmery shade. Now I'm using the shade Batter Up, and this is going in the crease. I'm using this tiny little fluffy brush by Sigma. It's great if you have small eyes. Just putting the color in the crease, and then I'm taking my handy dandy Rimmel brush. This comes, wow, excuse me, I'm trying to do a voiceover, sir. Anyway, after I was rudely interrupted, took that Rimmel brush, put the Batter Up shade in the inner corner in the outer V, and then, of course, always blending out, I took that Lick the Spoon shade, that orangey matte, and I just blended everything out. Here I'm doing the inner corner, again, blending out. Guys, you can't forget to blend out. That is key to perfect eyeshadow. So here I'm just doing the same thing to the other eye, same steps, nothing new, nothing crazy. Anybody can do this look. It's so easy. And Rimmel, if you want to sell these brushes individually, I will totally buy them off of you. Totally. I love it. It's so good for like detailed work. This is my favorite part when it comes to a halo look. So I'm taking sticky fingers, putting that right in the middle of the lid. It looks so pretty. I put it on with my finger first, and then I just did some detail work with that brush. And then, of course, blending out the edges into the shimmery shade so we don't have any harsh lines. This color is really, really pretty. It's like a duochrome, so sometimes it looks peachy, and then sometimes it looks like a purpley pink. You'll be able to kind of see what I'm talking about in like, different clips. So now it's time for concealer. I'm using my Ride or Die Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. Nothing new here. Nothing new. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I had a hard time trying to figure out what I wanted my second look to be. Excuse me, I'm outside if you haven't realized. Yeah, this was a little bit challenging for me. I don't know, I kind of just lost momentum. I'm using Flower Power, the lightest shade in the palette, Light Cream, perfect for right underneath the eyebrow and cleaning up my eyeshadow edge. Thank you, Too Faced, for including a shade like that. Now we're setting my under eyes with the GIVENCHY PRISME LIBRE loose powder. Love this stuff. So nice. So beautiful. Now I'm taking Batter Up, putting that on the outer third of my lower lash line, and then I am going to take Sticky Fingers, the shimmery color, and I'm just going to drag it from the middle of my lower lash line and then into the inner corner. It looked really, really pretty. I'm glad that I did this. I'm blending my lower lash line out with Lick the Spoon. That's that orangey matte color. And then I am going to go in with false lashes. I did not like these lashes at all, the 424s. I didn't like how they looked on me at all. But this ends this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I want to do a third one. I did 3 last year. Oh my god. You know, that's my sign to just end this video. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you guys. You guys mean the world to me. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!